Unlock cinematic magic by seamlessly pairing your Nikon Z50 with the Zhiyun Weebill S gimbal. First things first, let's mount your Nikon Z50 onto the Weebill S. Ensure it's securely attached to the quick release plate. This is crucial for balanced operation. Now, lock each of the gimbal's axis tilt, roll, and pan to prevent unwanted movement while balancing. This step is vital before proceeding. Next, we balance adjust the camera on the quick release plate and the axis arms until your Z50 rests in a perfectly horizontal position. When released, take your time with this. Good balance is the foundation of smooth footage. With your camera balanced, it's time to connect. Locate the USB-C port on your Nikon Z50 and the corresponding port on the Zhiyun Weebill S. Use the provided USB-C cable to establish the connection for camera control. Now, grab your smartphone and open the Zhiyun Crane app. Navigate to the camera control section. The app will automatically detect your connected Z50, allowing you to control key functions like recording, start, stop, and zoom directly from the gimbal. With the connection established, test out the controls. Practice smooth panning and tilting movements using the joystick. Experiment with different sensitivities in the Zhiyun app to find what feels most natural for your shooting style. To optimize settings, explore the gimbal's follow modes within the app. Dynamic modes offer faster responses for action, while standard modes are ideal for cinematic, slow-paced shots. Adjust these based on your desired creative outcome. You can even unlock creative camera movements. Consider using the optional follow focus accessory if you need precise control over focus. This allows for professional cracks during your shots. Mastering this connection will elevate your video creation, empowering you to capture breathtaking, professional quality footage with your Nikon Z50 and Zhiyun Weebill S.